In a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a young girl named Luna. Luna was known throughout the village for her incredible talents in weaving. She spent most of her days creating beautiful fabrics with intricate patterns and colors that told stories of the village's history and myths. Her weavings were so magnificent that people would come from all around to see them, and Luna's village was famous for its beautiful textiles. One day, a mysterious stranger arrived in the village. He was tall and slender, with skin as pale as the moon and hair as bright as the stars. He wore a long, flowing cloak that shimmered like the night sky, and his eyes twinkled with a celestial light. He introduced himself as a celestial being from the stars and revealed that the fabric of the universe was torn, causing chaos and disorder throughout the cosmos. The stranger explained that the fabric of the universe was a delicate weave that held everything together, from the smallest particle to the largest galaxy. But a great rift had appeared, threatening to unravel the very fabric of existence. He asked Luna to use her weaving skills to repair the fabric and restore balance to the universe. Luna was hesitant at first, but the stranger showed her the beauty of the stars and the magic of the universe. He took her on a journey through the cosmos, showing her the birth of stars and the dance of planets. Luna was amazed by the beauty and wonder of it all, and she knew she had to help. With the stranger's guidance, Luna set out on a journey to repair the fabric of the universe. She traveled to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, gathering threads of stardust and moonbeams. She met all sorts of fascinating creatures along the way, from shooting stars to friendly comets. Each one taught her a new technique or shared a secret about the universe that helped her on her quest. As she traveled, Luna discovered that the fabric of the universe was not just a physical thing, but also a metaphorical one. It represented the connections between all things, the threads that bound the universe together. And she realized that her weavings had been doing the same thing all along, telling the stories of her village and its people, and binding them together with threads of love and community. With this newfound understanding, Luna returned to her village and began to weave the most magnificent fabric of all. She wove a fabric that shimmered with celestial light and glowed with an otherworldly radiance. As she wove, the fabric of the universe began to repair, and balance was restored. The stranger returned, grateful for Luna's work, and offered her a gift, a star-shaped loom that would allow her to weave the most magical fabrics imaginable. From that day on, Luna's weavings brought joy and wonder to all who saw them, and her village prospered under the light of her starry creations. Years went by, and Luna's village became a place of pilgrimage for those seeking inspiration and guidance. Luna's weavings were said to have healing properties, and people would come to touch them and be filled with a sense of wonder and awe. And Luna, now an old woman, would sit at her star-shaped loom, weaving fabrics that told the stories of the universe and its many wonders.